From the NBC 26 Precision Forecast Center, meteorologist Michael Fish.
Thanks a lot for joining us on this messy Sunday. Depending on where you live, hey, even if it's raining, that's still pretty messy for you. Accumulating, ponding on the roads because the ground's still frozen. Watching that surge of rain work its way to the north, but the further you live to the north and to the west, the more you're seeing it mix in with some sleet and even some snow. Now, I'm not talking about a big snowmaker here out of all of this. This is going through right now, right on through the day tomorrow, where we're still going to see a couple more snow showers. Gradually, if you're seeing rain, it changes over to a little bit of snow shower activity overnight. And you can see way off to the north, 2 to up to 4 inches. And again, the higher totals, the further where we get pink here. So off towards northwest Wisconsin, Minnesota, that's a real heavy snow. Around here for most of us, as we head through tonight and into tomorrow, trace to an inch, a little bit more further to the north and west. But still, because of all of this and that mix of some sleet, some freezing rain in there, some snow falling on the cold pavement, still have a winter weather advisory going until late tonight, even a little bit later the further north you head into the early morning hours. But as far as outside right now, we're above average for temperatures. It's supposed to be 27 for an average high. We are well into the 30s. Look at Des Moines, popped into the 50s today. No, it's not going to get that warm around here. Actually, for tomorrow, we're going to wrap in a little bit cooler air. There's Sioux Falls checking in with 34 today in Minneapolis. On its way for tomorrow. Right now, everyone's above freezing. 34 Sturgeon Bay, 35 Shawano, Green Bay. But remember, that doesn't mean the pavement's above freezing. So as this rain falls on some of the cold pavement, that may be below freezing. That's where we could see a little bit of icing. Just be aware of that. Now here's satellite and radar. Look at the low pressure. Pretty easy to pick this one out. Been wrapping in the milder air. And because of that, we're watching here on our Viper HD radar. And look at a lot of us now seeing the rain. But then there's kind of a cutoff line a little bit further to the north where we're seeing kind of that mix of some sleet, a little bit of freezing rain in there and snow. Gradually, though, as our night goes on, we're going to gradually taper off this precipitation, but things cooling down a bit, that will change it back over to a bit of snow. But remember, I'm not talking about a lot around here. Here's tomorrow. That low pressure rolling on out. A couple snow showers out there, trace to up to an inch. And out of all this, I think what you're going to notice the most tomorrow is the wind. I don't think travel is going to be a big headache around here, but that wind, it's going to get your attention because this is a strong low pressure. They're going to be rolling on out of here as we head through the night and through the day tomorrow and in its wake. It's going to bring in a little bit cooler air, but that wind, look at the isobars kind of tightly packed here. That kind of is an indicator of stronger winds, the higher pressure gradient. And then high pressure going to be in charge as we head towards Tuesday, which then keeps us quiet. And a lot of this week actually not looking too bad. It's tonight, things a little bit noisy out there. Not thunder-wise, just precipitation-wise. Rain, drizzle, fog. And we have that mix off to the north. Then we see a couple snow showers late tonight. And for your Monday, a couple snow showers up to an inch. That's it. But the wind is going to be your bigger story. And Monday night, a few flurries, a little bit colder, still breezy. And Tuesday, partly cloudy, 27. Keeping it quiet. And can we keep it quiet for long? Well, at least for Wednesday, 32. Could see a little bit of snow on Thursday. And then, Cassandra, it gets colder for next weekend. But still, as we head through tonight, not a major snow event, kind of a mix of a little bit of everything event.